What is happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video. And today we are looking at a brand new device or brand new cradle for our DJI Osmo Pocket. Here we go. First things first, what we want to do is unbox this thing. Take it out of the... This is by Ulanzi, first and foremost. They do a lot of mount and brackets for DJI Osmo Pocket. They do a lot of accessories for them. Go ahead and open this up right there. As you could see there, this is for the DJI Osmo Pocket. Little cradle for our iPhone. As you could see here, it says a small brand focusing on phonography. There you go. Pretty cool. Look at this. It's pretty cool. That's a little like Iron Man thing there. Iron Man. I don't know what that really needs to be there or anything like that. Little trademark thing. A whole Iron Man suit right there. Anyways, let's open it up. Basically, all this is the cradle for your iPhone. We don't need this anymore. Throw that out. And open this guy up right there. Don't need that anymore. Throw that out. Alrighty. So all this is a little cradle for our phone. In order to loosen that, this is a very nice quality, by the way. It has it's a metal device, and as you can see there, it's rubber, so it doesn't scratch your phone or anything like that. Go ahead and zoom in. Yeah, focus. There we go. Go ahead and put our phone in there now. Just screw that off right there. There you go, nice and snug right there, so that's good. It's good for now. Good for now. What we want to do next, open up our DJI Osmo Pocket, take it out of this case, making sure that we open up our smart connector right here. It's connected to our phone. Go ahead and attach that right there where we want it. And this will go to the back of the DJI Osmo Pocket, like so. And then we just adjust it to how we need it. By the way, this works best without a case, without a phone case right here, because what happens is it has a little gap. I'll show you here in a second. Basically, it has a gap in between the back of the DJI Osmo Pocket. That's okay. As you can see here, behind here there's a gap because that's the gap for the iPhone, but that's good enough for now. Go ahead and tighten that up as well, and we're good to go. So all we want to do now is turn on our DJI Osmo Pocket right there. Go to our phone, making sure that we could see right there. Boots up the app. There you go. Beautiful. So now that we have this supported, usually the problem with DJI Osmo Pocket and the iPhone is you have this setup right here, but then without this bracket right here, all the stress is on the lightning port. So then this will loosen up your lightning port over time. But with this cradle, it'll help it. And all the stress on the cradle now, not the phone and not on the DJI Osmo Pocket. Next thing you want to do is grab something like this, maybe a Joby or a monopod. Sweet. Go ahead and open it up so that we can have it mounted onto this guy. There we go. Just go ahead and mount it on the bottom of this. Nice and quick, make sure it's tight. And we're done. Now this is the best solution for vlogging. If you're vlogging with your DJI Osmo Pocket and with your iPhone, you'll be able to mount it like this, go around, and there will be no stress on your iPhone's lightning port, and you'll be able to enjoy your DJI Osmo Pocket and your iPhone for vlogging and for taking videos. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys next time. Peace out.